Okay, if you haven't read the description, this is going to help a little bit. This is everything we have on the car and know about it, and it's a lot. Okay, so bear with me if you don't know about this already and you haven't seen it. Here is the window stickers, just a little printout here. Gives you all the options. And then feel free to just pause this at any time. This is the best way to get this information out to you, is here on this video as well. 1977 Trans Am Special Edition. She is absolutely gorgeous inside and out. Here's everything you need to know. Where it came from, numbers matching, you name it. It's a Hurst top. It's absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, pause this, read through this. If you have a question, it has been answered in this packet most likely. And like I said, all of this will come with the car, and everything in the documents that it has, the original owner's manual, you name it. Sorry, here we go. Like I said, numbers matching, factory equipped M21. It's the Y82 Special Edition package. Number 1 of 2,699. Fully documented in the historical services there. The Pontiac Historical Services. Very cool. I love when a owner does this. This is all done by the owner. Fully documented. It really helps answer all those questions for you. Isn't that crazy? Original MSRP under $8,000. Here's everything it comes with. Original owner's manual, warranty packet. Super, super cool. This will be the data entry that you're going to see on the website. There's the seller, dealer, address, date. I mean, this is as documented as you're gonna get. When cars say fully documented, I feel like half the time they don't have all this information, and you got to track it down. And this is it. 4 owners since new. It's an original Oklahoma car, and the current owner still here locally in Oklahoma. Numbers matching. I know some of this is repetitive. Like I said, pause it, read it, understand it here. Very cool. I know this is a long video, but after this, we're going to do the condition report on it and just really go through the car. That's who did the paint body work, the decals, the correction, ceramic coating, all that good stuff. Like they say, this is fully sorted, ready to go. This is a huge thing here. This is really cool. And then the final, there's the picture. We'll have that on the website as well. There's your numbers. Okay, let's check out this car. She's an absolute beauty. Okay, on this part, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assess the overall condition, front to back, engine bay, undercarriage, interior, and go take this thing for a quick drive. You're on the front right wheel. Looks incredible. I mean, look how clean that is. Every inch of it is perfect. Day code on the tire, 2023. It's in great condition as well. Looking at the paint, the reflection is insane. Very, very pretty. And look at that. Now we're in some crazy lighting here. So you're gonna see things that you wouldn't see outside in the sun as well. So sometimes it enhances little things. But man, that paint is incredible. I mean, look at that reflection. This is the original windshield as well. So when they did the restoration on this, they wanted to, like you saw, maintain as much original stuff as possible and kind of spruce up some of the other things like the paint, the graphics, wheels. That looks perfect. Looks incredible. You have a couple tiny little rock impacts there. Bird looks good. We're gonna check this out in just a second. Quarter looks incredible. I mean, every square inch of this looks amazing. Once again, the wheels are perfect. You can just see how clean everything is. You can't find any dirt on that. Looks good. All of this looks perfect as well. Nice and clean. Reflection of the paint looks good. Little rock impact right there. Stripes look good. All the accents nice and clean. Got the tiniest little flaw right there, little impact. So you're gonna have a couple rock chips. It's very minimal though. See, that's nice and clean. Lights look good. She's perfect. There's just a little dust there. And check that out. That is really, really cool. Like that original windshield. I do have a little snag on that graphic. Looks good. Weather stripping. All of that looks really good. Nice and clean in there. And there's really not much to pick apart on this car. Little spot right there. I think that might be a little touch up. Looks incredible. Okay, checking out the interior, non-smoker, incredibly clean. Looks incredible, and I love the Hurst T-tops here. That is really, really clean. Beautiful, beautiful interior. Let's check out the edge here. A couple little rips on that, it looks like. Looks good. Can't get up close here. See that? Door panel looks incredible, absolutely perfect. Handles on there nice and secure. All of that looks good. Looking in the jams. That looks good. Trim looks nice. It's all in great condition. Looking at the seat, looks perfect. Steering wheel looks good. Just kind of going through the gauges. Looks incredible. The original radio is included, so don't worry about that. Okay, here on this door panel, looking in the jams. Looks like you got a couple rips right there. That looks incredible. Handle's nice and clean. All of that looks perfect. Beautiful panel. That trim looks amazing. Carpets are perfect. Seats are incredible. Beautiful, beautiful seat. All of that is intact and perfect. Seat belts are nice and clean. It's in great condition. A couple little scuffs on the plastic there. All right, we're going to scan through the engine bay here. That looks incredible, nice and clean. Looks really good. And then you have all of this in here, properly labeled. The carpets look good. Weather stripping is perfect. Super soft. Jams look good. Looks awesome. The Hurst tops here look incredible. You're gonna have some very light little scuffs and scratches, but for the most part it is in great condition. Same thing, just typical little scuffs and scratches from probably removing it. Overall in phenomenal condition.